Hello everyone, I'm Megabyte and I'm on behalf of my team presenting you UNIFY, which we are calling Grandma's phone. Now the simple reason grandmas don't know how to operate a technical application. Same goes for most of the non-Web3 users or non-crypto users, right? So the current state or the current problem in the Web3 is there is a UX problem, a very major UX problem, which restrict non-Web3 people or non-native crypto-native people in using the high-tech applications which we have built yet till now. And there's a solution, a complicated solution, but our team is able to achieve a POC of it. The solution is chain abstraction, account abstraction, which will provide a single click transaction to anyone. So like user don't have to worry about about where their on which chain they have their funds, on which chain they are operating, how they can set up their wallet address, or without going through MetaMask and seed phrase stuff, and they should be able to do any transaction on any application on any chain in a single click. So um, let's go ahead with the architecture. We are utilizing particle network for a social login, which helps us in social recovery and creating the and creating the EOA without without having the trouble of storing seed phrase and doing everything which we are used to do. And as a wallet provider to initiate all the transaction, Chainlink for a cross-chain interoperability protocol, which sends a arbitrary data transfer across the chains which we require. Covalent for a UI unified API to fetch the token balances, and Gold Rush Grid to fetch the NFTs and the transactions are done by the particular wallet address. Next, go ahead to the live demo, which doesn't happen often. So here's our Unify transferring cross-chain simplified one-click transaction. You can send between any chain to anyone on any chain at any time. You don't have to worry about on which chain you have your funds on, and you can have the social recovery because of the particle auth provider. Let's get started. Let's get connected. I'm creating my account using Google, so that's a plus plus for most of the Web2 users and non-crypto users. So now I have $1,800 across these chains, and I want to send my buddy who has 1000 USDC. Right now, what will happen is I'm going to send like 1000 USDC. So let's set his address. Done. Let's send him 1000 more. Let's on Sepolia and preview. So like 250 USDC will be directed from Ethereum, 500 from Avalanche, and 250 from Polygon. Let's create the transaction. The transaction first happens on a base chain, which is Avalanche Fuji testnet, and confirm. Let's see. Wait a couple of seconds. Till the transaction is going on, we can move ahead with the application. So here you can see all the transaction happening. Like few minutes back, I sent out the few USDC from my wallet. You can check the token balances provided by Covalent Gold Rush Gate on any chain, and the NFTs. Right now I don't have any NFTs, so I'm not able to showcase that. And wait a couple of seconds for cross-chain transaction to happen, and then you can see the funds. So now you can see Avalanche is already empty because the destination chain was a player. And let's wait a couple of seconds, and then we will go ahead. So this was our base chain transaction. We copy the hash, we go ahead, paste it here on GCP Explorer, then we can find all that cross-chain calls are